As we all know, this time of year can be incredibly hectic with decorating, baking, gatherings to be attended and hosted, and don't forget the ever-expanding gift shopping lists. It can all be overwhelming. And often we get all wrapped up in getting ready to be ready that we end up missing the opportunity to
slow down
and really take in all the wonder and grace of the season. I often fall into this trap myself, trying to get ready to be ready, wanting everything to be just right. And the season goes by so fast that it's easy to miss those moments that really allow us to pause, reflect, and enjoy those little yet truly impactful moments. Amidst all the chaos, there are some wonderful seasonal activities waiting to be enjoyed, and in today's episode, I'll be sharing 5 fantastic ideas that will not only help you unwind and savor the season, but also create memorable moments with your loved ones. So whether you're looking for some personal relaxation or ways to bond with family and friends, stay tuned as we take a break from the holiday madness and discover how to pause, breathe, and truly savor the magic of the festive season. I hope you enjoy. Idea number 1 is to take a nature walk. Taking a winter nature walk is a delightful way to reconnect with the beauty of the season and create cherished memories for yourself or with loved ones. As you bundle up in your warmest winter gear and step into the great outdoors, whether it's a snowy forest, a local park, or even a simple walk through the neighborhood, you'll find yourself immersed in a tranquil world transformed by winter's touch. The glistening snow, the crisp air, and the hushed sounds of nature all combine to create a serene and peaceful backdrop for quality time together. It's an opportunity to slow down and savor the unique sights and sounds of winter. If walking on your own, it's a time for reflection and pause. And if walking with friends or family, it offers a unique opportunity to strengthen bonds as you explore and appreciate the natural world in its wintertime splendor. There are so many benefits from a simple walk, from increased health and physical fitness, mental health benefits, to an increased sense of connectivity if walking with friends or family. It's easy to do, and it costs nothing other than a moment of your time, yet the rewards are huge. Walking is a win-win, and you may want to add this to your list of seasonal festive ideas. Number 2, create a DIY ornament decorating party. Creating a DIY ornament decorating party is a wonderful way to infuse the holiday season with creativity and shared joy. By setting up a craft station adorned with plain ornaments, they could be wood or glass, paints, glitter, and an assortment of decorations, you'll embark on an afternoon filled with artistic expression and togetherness. And as you and your loved ones pour your hearts into crafting these personalized ornaments, each one becomes a cherished memory in the making. Each ornament reflects the unique personality and creativity of its creator. And these handcrafted treasures not only add a personal touch to your holiday decorations, they also symbolize the joy of shared experiences and the beauty of coming together during this festive time. It's a time-honored tradition that not only adds a personal touch to your holiday decor, but also strengthens the bonds of family and friendship. And as a tip, you may want to add the year created on each ornament, especially if you're crafting with young children. And when you hang these ornaments on the tree each year, you'll be reminded of the special moments spent crafting them together, making your tree a living testament to the love and creativity that defines the holiday season. Number 3 is to attend holiday events and explore the holiday lights. Attending holiday events and exploring local holiday lights are both delightful ways to immerse yourself in the enchanting spirit of the season and forge unforgettable memories with loved ones. Holiday events such as tree lighting ceremonies, Christmas markets, and live performances serve as windows into the heartwarming traditions and joyful celebrations of the season. They offer unique opportunities to connect with your community, share in the excitement of the holidays, and create cherished moments with family and friends. Similarly, exploring local holiday lights by taking a leisurely drive or stroll through festively decorated neighborhoods and towns transforms ordinary streets into magical wonderlands. It's simple, yet awe-inspiring, and it's an experience that ignites the holiday spirit and fosters togetherness, making it a tradition to look forward to each year. We soon forget the gifts that we receive over the holidays, but the memories that are created and experienced are etched deep into our souls. And some of the most cherished and some of the most funny memories of the holidays for my family surrounds the events that we attended during the holidays, from our annual pre-Christmas celebration in Ottawa with family to the always fun Secret Santa gift exchange / steal to the holiday shows that we have attended over the years, from plays to concerts. One in particular happened many years ago. My husband and I informed our 3 children that we were taking them to see the orchestra, the Trans-Siberian Orchestra, for Christmas. Now, they just gasped. Orchestra, no way. My oldest son, who loved music, while rock music, was not amused until we got to the performance and he bumped into his guitar teacher, a young man and also an avid rock musician. He was wondering, maybe, but the kids had no idea what was in store for them. Then the music and the light show started and they were mesmerized. They loved it, and we loved seeing the look on their faces. It's still one of my favorite festive holiday event memories, and it's one we talk about often. I'm curious, what's your favorite holiday memory? Please share in the comments below, and let's share some festive cheer. Number 4. Host a cozy fireside gathering complete with snacks and board games. Hosting a cozy fireside gathering is a surefire way to cultivate a sense of warmth and togetherness during the winter season. By creating a welcoming space by the fireplace or just a space together, you're setting the stage for an intimate and relaxing gathering. As family and friends gather around to sip hot cocoa or mulled wine and indulge in a smorgasbord of appetizers, the crackling fire sets a cozy backdrop for laughter and conversation. Adding a favorite board game to the mix infuses the evening with lighthearted competition and camaraderie. Whether you're strategizing to win or simply enjoying the company, the combination of delicious treats, soothing ambiance, and friendly rivalry makes for an unforgettable and heartwarming experience that strengthens the bonds and creates cherished memories. What's your favorite board game? Share in the comments below. And number 5 is to indulge in a spa day and a cozy holiday night. Treat yourself to a day of relaxation and pampering at the spa or in the comfort of your own home. Enjoy a soothing massage, a rejuvenating facial, or a long bath with holiday scented bath products. It's a wonderful way to unwind, recharge, and miss the holiday hustle and bustle. Complete the day by snuggling up with a captivating winter-themed book or by indulging in timeless holiday movies. Whether you choose a heartwarming novel or beloved film like It's a Wonderful Life, that's our family favorite, or A Christmas Carol, losing yourself in these festive tales is a delightful way to embrace the enchanting spirit of the holidays. I hope that these holiday festive ideas have sparked some creativity, and I hope that you find some peace and joy in taking part. If you have any of your own holiday favorite ideas, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment in comments below and let's share our ideas. After all, that's what the holidays is all about, is sharing and seeing the excitement and joy in others. Have yourself a very happy and blessed holiday season.